Hi, I'm Bree, coming at you live from the Bree Cave on the futon in my mom and dad's basement. And today we've got an unboxing challenge of sorts, so to speak. Um, this Seth never shuts up, and I'm going to try to unbox him without him making any noise. My only tools will be a pair of scissors. So let's give it a go. And you say it says tilt back to activate, so I don't want to tilt it back. I don't want to hit him. I don't want to slam him. And what's this last one? I can't read it. Punch, maybe. But anyway, here we go. Let's see if we can free never shuts up Seth. These scissors are kind of dull. Alright, we have broken through the top layer of tape, getting the sides. It's still maintaining hold. On this top piece of cardboard because that's what he's attached to. And we don't want him tilting anyway because he's gonna scream. Oh crap, it's closed-ended over there. But let's see what we can do with this tape off here. Okay, making progress. I got one side open. Oh, keep them steady. Oh boy, it's a mess on the inside too here, people. Gonna have to find some way to deal with that. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting somewhat warmer here. So that is bound right the fuck around his neck. Careful. Yeah, it seems like he's glued to this bottom piece. Do this. Release the Seth.
I am the fugitive. WWE.
As you can see, I failed. Not because I tilted him, but because I hit him. So I guess I've lost the challenge, but we're gonna go on and see if we can get him out without making him talk again. Okay. Alright, he's out of the majority of the packaging. And he only spoke once. So we're doing okay, I guess. Oh boy. Um, yeah, maybe he can turn upside down without talking. Because there's only one way to find out. Tilt forward. Okay. We're okay. Some kind of instructions here. Okay. I think we got this. Um, yeah, did it. Put him carefully in an upright position. Voila. This never shuts up, Seth. And I only made him talk once, and it only took me a little over 5 minutes to free him. So even though he talked once, I'm still gonna say I won. And now I'm gonna look for the battery compartment so I can take out his batteries.